I just don't quite get it. I keep getting all these weird snacks from TTM. Like, what is this? TTM, some to the moon? I don't know. So, what is this? It says Hostess? Ain't nobody ever heard of such a thing. But you know what? We got a little belly and we got a little sweet tooth, so why don't we test this out? Whew. A little bit of plastic never hurt anybody. Sweet Helldivers 2 Drop Zone. That's delicious. Now that's better than a moon pie. I still don't know where these keep coming from. TTM. Huh. Delicious.